Hey there, sunshine! Here in my hands, I have my October Boxycharm box, and I'm very excited to unbox this because it is October. And October is the best month of the year, and I'm really expecting each brand to bring on their full spooky game with each box that they're sending out. Now, I used to swear by Boxycharm. I used to be like, Boxycharm is the best subscription box in the entire world. But after Boxycharm introduced BoxyLuxe, I really felt like the subscription started going downhill. Boxycharm introduced BoxyLuxe last year around Christmas. BoxyLuxe is a quarterly subscription service from Boxycharm. It is $50 a quarter. In it, you get like 10 to 13 full-size products. Last month, Boxycharm introduced a new subscription. I don't remember what they're calling it. It's either like Boxycharm Plus or Ultimate, something like that. It's a bigger subscription. It is $35 a month, and it's going to be bigger than their regular Boxycharm box. They increased prices for this box. It's like $22, $23 now. It used to be $21 to get this box. But I love Boxycharm because usually in every month you get an eyeshadow palette, and they really helped me expand my makeup collection. So I don't know, I will always have a special place in my heart for Boxycharm. With all of that said, I have no idea what this month's theme is. I have no idea what's in this box, but I'm so excited to find out. So this month's theme is Boxycharm. Oh, look, I was just talking about it. It says introducing the bigger Boxycharm. Boxycharm Premium. Beauty box worth over $175. Value for only $35. Okay. So that's going to start being shipped out November. I thought it was supposed to be getting shipped out this month. So that's cool. We're going to start getting it next month. Okay. So I have no idea what this month's theme is. It says After Dark. Okay, that has the opportunity to be spooky. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. I'm so excited to see an eyeshadow palette in here. It's from Dose of Colors. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I really hope it's like super, I don't know, I'm hoping it's spooky. I hope we get like a couple bright colors in here. Ooh, this feels like heavy. Oh, this feels like a heavy palette. Okay, so I see the color names, the shade names on the back of the palette. Ooh, okay, not what I was expecting. However, we do have a brush in here. We have it. Like, look, we got like a double-ended brush. I'm happy about that. And then we have the. I love the smoky tones in this. I love the sultry smoky eye is screaming to me in this palette. Plus, I love the packaging for this. Like, yes, this is so pretty, and I really do appreciate how Boxycharm always finds ways. Like, I feel like Boxycharm is the box to go to if you are interested in makeup but aren't somebody who has the ability to wear full-on bright colors like every day. Like, I feel like the palettes I always get in Boxycharm are so appropriate for daytime wear, and the people who want to like experiment with different brands but don't want to commit to like bright bold colors like I wear all the time. And I appreciate that for Boxycharm. I definitely feel like it gives them an edge to other subscription boxes. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, I have wanted to try this for so freaking long. This is like a dream come true. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. Oh my god, Prep Set Glow. Yes, water mist. Okay. Also, look at the shade that I received. Look at this. Oh, I'm screaming. Okay, let's. Do I look prettier? Oh, it tastes amazing. Like, I inhaled that, and I was oh, it's kind of strong, and I was not prepared for this scent. It kind of tastes like cherries. Don't eat it. Do not drink this. I just accidentally inhaled it, and it kind of smells like cherries. I don't know. I don't have a mirror at all, but I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Super hyped about that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this. I have never heard of this brand, and I'm so happy that we got two and not just one. Tomato Go-To Beauty Tomato Sheet Masks. I am allergic to tomatoes, so I will not be using these, but Christmas is around the corner, so I can put these in somebody's stocking. Yes, I got two, so 2 stockings maybe. Okay, and the last 2 things I received in here, I'm very curious about this because it looks so, like, look at this shape. Like, you know, look at this shape. Okay, this is from Smashbox. If this is a pencil eyeliner, I'm going to freak out. No, always on a liquid eyeliner. So we got a liquid eyeliner. I appreciate the shape. Like, that feels very balanced in my hand. Maybe I'll try playing around with some liquid eyeliner looks in with this one, just because it feels so light and balanced in my hand. Like, you don't have a ball kind of like making your hand feel off balance. I love the shape, and it's from Smashbox, so that's another brand that we recognize. Very exciting. And the last thing that I received is this Hank and Henry Stick With It Mascara Duo. Ooh, is it like primer and mascara, or are they colored? So here's the mascara end of it. And then here over here, ooh, what is this? Wait, what is it? Maybe if I like stopped asking questions and took a second to like read. It doesn't tell me what it is. So maybe one is a primer. Like I think this might be the primer. Let's take a look at our card to see, because I absolutely have no idea what that is. Plus, we can have a second to talk about pricing of everything. So the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette has a retail value of $32. The Iconic London Prep Set Glow has a retail value of $29. The Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. This is a vegan mascara that's waterproof. I've been in the market for waterproof mascara because I cry every 5 minutes. The Duo Wand Applicator is designed to work with a formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. Beautiful! I love that. That has a retail value of $19. I'm so excited to try out that bottom wand because I'm constantly like screwing up applying mascara underneath my eyes because I only have like really big chunky mascara wands. The Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner has a retail value of $22, and the Sheet Mask set of 2 has a retail value of $19.98. I've never heard of GoTo Beauty, and I feel like that I would not pay that for like sheet masks, especially because they look a lot like Yes To. It really reminds me a lot of Yes To. But that is everything that I received in my Boxycharm. I wish there was a little bit more spooky vibe. Like I was hoping from Boxycharm. But I'm very excited about the Duo mascara, and I'm so excited about this. This is honestly the thing that honestly blew me away the most in my October Boxycharm. But what did you guys think of this month's box? Are there any other subscription boxes that you would like to see me unbox on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.